Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about something very simple, but this trips a lot of people up, and it's when you get a little message that says payment processing on one of your orders. What that means is that the payment from the bank hasn't completely cleared the process, and even though Etsy has the order, the payment hasn't gone through and it hasn't been approved by either Etsy or the bank. We don't know those details. So if the customer contacts us and says, "What's going on?" you have to tell them you have to contact Etsy, or they have to contact Etsy, because Etsy won't give you their information. That's their personal financial information. And we don't have access to any of that. We will never know why a payment is processing or why the order was canceled. And you definitely should not send anything if that payment processing still says payment processing. So when the payment has gone through and has been approved, you can go ahead and send it. But I would actually wait a couple of days just to make sure that Etsy doesn't pull it back, because they have been known to do that recently, where you will send the order and then the next day Etsy comes and says, "Oh, by the way, that was a false transaction, so we're going to take that money back from you." And even though you've sent it, it doesn't matter. So if you ever get a payment processing transaction that lasts for more than a couple of days, I would be very careful about that. If the customer does contact you, then you can tell them you can try a different payment type. If they use their credit card, they could use PayPal. And sometimes there's nothing wrong. The customer will say, I have no idea why that's happening. I'm nowhere close to my credit limit. I don't know. And you can either, believe them or not. It's up to you. It doesn't matter. But I would just wait a couple of days just to make sure that Etsy isn't going to pull that payment back, just to be on the safe side. But definitely, if it says payment processing on the order, do not send the order, not until it clears. And then you will not be out the money, and you won't be out the product, and you won't lose your profits. So that's what we don't want to do, is lose profits. So leave me any questions, and I will talk to you later.